VCCV Syllabication Rule Review. If more than two consonants stand between two vowels, you divide between the consonants so the consonant blends like TR, DR, ND, MP, GR, PL, and digraphs such as CH, TH, SH, WH stay together. Here are some examples. Intrude. Intrude has a vowel followed by three consonants and a vowel. You keep the TR together because that is a blend, so you divide it here. Intrude. Another example is explode. You have a vowel with three consonants before the next vowel. You're going to leave the PL together because that is your blend. So you would divide after the X. Explode. The final example is sunshine. There is a vowel followed by three consonants and another vowel. You're going to leave the SH together because that is a digraph. So you will divide after the N. Sunshine.